here we are at the Blizzard Blast. Woohoo! Check it out. It's getting a little breezy out here. Kids are gonna bowl. Ow!
Last call for the 50-50. Right outside the ticket trailer.
Whoa! A lot of speed on that one.
Groin muscle that's like, look.
Anybody looking for those recliner races for the winner up there? Also just a few minutes away, I believe. Let me check. 10 minutes away from our 2 o'clock drawing.
Okay, so lots of activities going on here at the Blizzard Blast. It's a raffles, ice bowling, dunk of firemen, sledding, lots of food and beverages. We're gonna go check our raffle tickets now and see if we won anything.